Good evening all. Welcome to our channel Bull Run Trading. Today we will discuss on Ratan India Enterprises. So its subsidiary stock of Revolt 400 and Revolt 300 today is open for online booking. Yesterday we will discuss Revolt 400 online booking will start on today. Right. Within minutes its sales is over. It's very positive point for Revolt 400 stockholders. Today around morning 10 to 10:30 has opened this Revolt 400 online booking. It's completed. It's completed within minutes. So we will explore all the prospectors and possibilities to further future growth on this stock. So Revolt India Enterprises will have the energy and motor field has entered in last 2 years back. So basically Revolt 400 the performance like 0 100% 4.5 hours of charging it will get you will get up to 8 up to 150 kilometers can be movable, sir. And 80 kilometers per hour of top speed with an incredible torque use, and 150 kilometers per charge. 150 kilometers you will get 150 kilometers up to 4 hours charging batteries, the full charging batteries. This is basically Revolt 400 overview, and we will see the reports in today analysis. Ratan India hits the roof after robust electrical bike sale. Ratan India Enterprise hit an upper circuit 5% of 50.3 after the company said its electrical bike sold out within minutes of opening online sales. Previously, Ratan India's Revolt Motors, India's marketing leader in electrical bikes, had opened sales on 18th June, with the company having to close the booking within 2 hours. This time, bookings were closed out within minutes of launching sales of Revolt 400 website. The company said its statement on Thursday, 15 July. The sales were for its A1 AI arithmetic uh, and enabled RV400 bikes, and which has a range up to 150 kilometers on a single charge of its 3.24 kilowatts lithium ion battery that can churn out the top speed of 85 kilometers per hour. The running cost of Revolt 400 bikes is 9 per 100 kilometers, 9 rupees per 100 kilometers, compared to petrol bikes which cost 250 kilometers per 100 kilometers. 250 rupees per 100 kilometers. The company highlighted. The company further said that various states government are giving significant incentives to customers buying the electrical bikes. For example, Maharashtra is giving incentives of more than 25,000 per bike. Gujarat government gives incentives of 20,000 per bike. Delhi government has gives direct incentives of about 16,200 per bike for Revolt customers. Similarly, Meghalaya has incentive of 32,000 per bike of Revolt 400. In Bihar, it also proposed to similar amount the incentive. In addition, state of Telangana and Tamil Nadu and Delhi has also waived off the road tax of EV two-wheelers. Anjali Ratan, business chairman, Ratan India Enterprise, has sold Revolt 400 bikes being they sold out within minutes. Its strong testimony of the product quality of the Revolt, with the petrol price reaching up to upward of the 100. But in this country, it has up to customers to misargue savings that Revolt bikes are bringing. So Rahul Sharma, MD of Revolt Motors, said, and then wrote, blockbuster sales by the Revolter clearly shown that Revolt Indian customers are quickly adopt the super product. We are working around the clock of the increase our production capacity even further to cater to the huge demand. Ratan India Enterprises flagship company of Ratan India Group for its new age of grouping business. The company has forwardly into electrical mobility space through Revolt Motors through determining clear commute using next generation mobility solution. The company is also completely focused on the providing world-class electrical mobility products which are affordable and accessible to every Indian. So overall, this is the basic news. And other news is Ratan India Wholesale Bikes sold close within minutes of the opening online sales. Stocks in surge of 5% with the running cost of Revolt owner bikes in 9 rupees per 100 kilometers compared to petrol bikes which is 250 rupees per 100 kilometers. The cost saving of Revolt customers too hard to miss, the company has said that. So today the basic sales has over within the minutes. We will check the all fundamentals and chart analysis and further discussion on Ratan India Enterprise. So these are the basic things we are discussing here. So yesterday also we will discuss on everything. Ratan India Enterprise has got the major business from EV. So here we will discuss on valuation, further how to company forecast the performance in the next 1 or 2 years is closely nothing. So next, the further financial health. Does the company have strong financial health, manageable debt, and then the past performance, how the company is performed over the past 5 years is 3 by 6 reverse. So 3 by 6 rating. So overall today the performance very well. So major thing we have to discuss on chart. Here the amazing, so 52 side very nearby today. So we will look after all the 52 side new high. So here the delivery. Here the 7 days is performed 14% and as per university is 1.2%. The market 0.4% is performed well. And last 30 days is very looking very weak in this market scenario. About valuation of the stock, the fair value 9.75. Now it is trading above overvalued stock on fair value. So this is the basic minus point for this stock only. The further no more minus point for this stock. So only valuation is getting difficulty for this. So it is the major difficulty for this stock. And what the company has no debt. Company also perform well. So almost all debt free company, and equity ratio has to increase here. So these are basic things you have to know about Revolt India. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.